5 of the hair, skin, and nail by Biotin, the extra strength by Nature Bounty. I'm taking them. They're gel caps. You take 3 a day, and like in my previous video, I've shown you what they look like. They're a purple capsule. I'm not going to take any out of the bottle right now, but I have seen a huge improvement since I switched from the gummies to the capsules, and I was getting my hair extensions put in by my friend on Saturday, and she said that like I had huge grow out. So I had about 2 inches, and it's been 5 weeks, so a little over a month. So I'm super excited to see what this next month brings. It's actually growing. I don't know if you can tell. I'll take my hat off, but like you can see hair growing in there. I don't know if you can see that, but it is growing, and in the back, it's not long, but it's past my neckline. So, if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, please do. I do weekly updates on cardio, hair, makeup, other things too. So, the hair, skin, and nail extra strength gel caps are really working for me. As you can see, my hair is growing. It's only been 5 weeks, like I said, so I can't wait. Like I said before, I can't wait to see what it does in this next month. So stay tuned, look for week 6, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment box. I'm going to try to leave a picture or link a picture to show you the grow out. I'm going to get it from my friend. So thanks for watching, and look for week 6 on the Nature Bounty Extra Strength vitamins. Thanks for watching.